in the Stones line, but
we're gonna continue with
I just came back from the north!
Maybe they're afraid that, I know my line. I don't know, I know it.
Hundreds of toad bodies. Everywhere. Reset.
Well, speaking of Bowser, I was...
Ile. Go ahead, go again.
So if you want some intel, you are going to need to remember your line. Let us not forget our lines.
That's importante.
Very important.
Okay.
Wow.
I was like, you duck.
Why did I duck and rip it off? No.
Well, we found 2 body bags by our base, and...
Yeah, well, I'm over it. I mean, one more guy isn't... I'm looking right down at this thing. He killed my master. Now it's his turn.
Wait.
Oh, I'm done. Action. I said action. Collect yourself. Do you want to try that again, Mr. Camera?
Yeah, that's an armadillo.
Here on the set of the Mushroom Kingdom, we see an armadillo.
It's so cute.
Don't stomp on it, Luigi. It's not the turtle.
I'm not gonna stop. Something's cute.
Mrr. Mrr.
I can't let oh my god, okay. We need more propane and propane accessories, I'll tell you what.
Because if that was an outworlder that fucked us, imagine what Bowser would do if he attacked our base. Neil, are you even listening to me?
I'm sorry, I'm on Tinder. What?
Oh.
No, what? Come on, I'm ready to go back in the...
That's exact. Visions. You think you're having visions of your past?
Well, now that Vision's not here anymore, I think so.
Oh my god.
How dare you?
I can't say yes for certain, but I can see more clearly now. Now that the rain has fallen.
Sorry about that. I'm gonna try that again.
This war has been going on since I was 14. I have to make sure that I remember my lines.
Okay, sorry. Fuck off!
Goodbye.
Okay.
Want me to cut again? That's too much.
So much for single tier.
Too much for a single tier. We can do this. I believe. Let's keep recording.
Back. God dang. Okay. Lean back again. Lean back. More. Lean back more. Ah!
It is done, Master.
Good. Now we wait for their reaction.
When will it be uploaded?
Fuck. That's not the line.
Okay.
Oh, I'm afraid that the traps will be quite operational when Mario arrives.
Brilliant, Link.
Really?
You should look at... Oh, it is aimed at me?
Yeah.
Hold on.
Good.
Been far too long, you Italian bastard.
Oh, wait, hold on. I got.
You can see the sweat he's done on me.
Yep.
Good riddance.
I guess I'm tough weather. Da 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 da.
Holy crap.
And
He put a whole bag of jelly beans up.
Ganondorf. He escaped.
I don't know my lines.
your line is back, good sir.
Are you sure it was him?
I don't know my line either.
That's what the script is for.
Where were the jelly beans?
Shut up!
What am I supposed to do?
Random shit.
Yes.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Powerful one line.
You're with Bowser? Health benefits are Timothy got us.
Action!
Try something. No.
I'm guessing that's you, Miles.
It's all hectic. It's everywhere. Okay.
Bro, can I just not play Mario for one day? Because I know I'm better than you, but like, goddamn, this is some weird ass casting. Because you were Mario the entire fucking season, so I don't know if I should just play Mario like that.
You look exactly like me.
No, I fucking don't!
Get away!
Fuck. Shit. Action.
Look, I'm sorry I sent you off on a wild goose chase, but I'm here now.
Little late.
T-Bone!
Well.
Oh shit, man. We shouldn't have come here, man.
Well, fuck this.
I'm here to rule. In seconds. If I can get this damn thing.
Fuck.
Hey, get out of my house.
Wait? Oh, I thought this was Ganondorf. Ah! Betrays his comrades and takes control over the kingdom. Only those with the bloodline of the superstar can return. Well, you want to know what I'm wearing under my pants? More pants.
Ready. We're done.
You good?
I will. Well. So you're saying there might be something in the script that I might remember?
As you wish, Your Majesty.
What?
I'm only doing this to remain friends, to maintain the truce. We're doing this over, so it's okay.
Yeah.
I have news.
Oh, really? See, I can't do it fast. If I do, I just look retarded. I already look retarded.
But be warned, when Bowser activated the portal, the star let out something, I'm dubbing over this anyway, block.
Something.
Let it away.
Something. Did you ever want to know what's in... A blooper of a blooper. Wow. Did you ever want to know what's on the inside of a Shy Guy's mask? Another mask.
Be careful, Wario. God fucking damn it, Evan. Evan, I swear, we can't have you laughing. And he's snorting now. Evan! You may want to keep a close eye on Ganondorf. Omelette du fromage.
I have discovered that there's a bitch of an itch on my left ass cheek, and I stuffed a whole bag of jelly beans up my ass.
Continue.
The whole bag, General. I sure did. And it's 24 hours later, and I ain't found none yet.
One question. What brand?
Jelly Belly.
Acne.
Yes.
Oh.
What? You said to say yas, and I did. I'm only following orders of the director.
Guards. Why does this mask smell like ass? Answer me, Bella! Answer me!
It's your mask. Why does it smell like ass?
Can I ask you a question?
There's a plane. There's a trip to Hawaii. That friggin'
Getting tired of these motherfucking squirrels in the motherfucking tree! Where you at, motherfuckers? Bang bang! I need more of that facial expression. I can't see anything like emotion-wise. I need just a little bit more facial expression, like you're angry. Can you give me an angry face? See, I can't see your mouth moving, sir.
He has beautiful abs, beautiful eyes, and a dick that makes it go ooh ee ooh ah ah ding dang walla walla bing bang.
Is he single?
Yes.
You are?
So, he's returned.
Yes, he has. Stand up. No, no.
Stop poking me! Wait! Enough jump! Now, fuck me.
No thanks.
I want you to fuck me, Jerry.
Have you noticed she's been...
God damn it! Next time, try and kill him!
Don't worry, I don't remember your line either.
I'm the ones who gave you these powers. We're gonna try that again because that sounded weird.
Once.
Barf, 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 I'm a dog, barf. Okay. No, do that again. Do it again.
Be gone with him!
Okay. Alright, I got this. Alright. I'm the one who gave you these powers.
You can't control me forever, bitch.
Point.
And that is the end of season 2. Just gotta finish up the lines. My Brutas, we have found the queen. My queen! My queen, you must show us the way. Do you know the way, my queen? She knows the way, my Brutas. Oh, my Brutas.
Well, that's on camera, so... Alright, ready?
Good.
Start whenever you wish.
Yes. You have not answered my question.
Oh, God. Thanks, Parthenax.
There's something about Dormammu, I don't know what the fuck he says. Anyway.
rebel scum!
Calm yourself, Wario.
No, show me your moves.
It's getting real in here.
Yeah, that fool Miles, or whatever his name is, he took my ice pops.
I'm sorry. Jesus.
Jesus Christ, it's
Jesus Christ.
Well, the Death Star here is very complex.
I missed that and I'm sad. Do it again.
Send every available troop and so. Wow, fuck. God damn it. General, if you could go ahead and upgrade your microphone from a pretzel stick to something better, then I will address you as Tower. Until then, you will be ignored.
Hey.
Shiny strip tease.
Oh, that's the Wario.
Oh,
Was Wario all along?
Well, time to shave.
Because he couldn't do it himself.
I don't need this.
Look at all these games.
Oh, look, we finally found it. Oh, wow. This needs to stay on the screen because I feel like that'd be really funny.
Oh my god. Just someone spotted in the background.
Oh, my fellow red brother, I am not here looking for combat. I just want to know, do you know the way?
I know the way, my brother, but do you know the way of the red people?
Oh, explain to me this way, my brother. Please tell me.
Oh, well, the way is that way. Follow the queen.
Wait, my brothers. No, that is the first queen. She do not know the way of the devil.
Where is the false queen?
We spit on the first queen.
I don't want to do that. I'm wearing the mask. It's going to get up in my face. It's going to be gross. So, someone speak for me.
Tweet.
Appreciate that, my brother.
Tree. A tree.
That's in my mask.
Like tonight's today, pitches die.
Oh, hold on.
Oh, no. This is not the way, my brother.
This is not what we do, my brother.
This is the...
Violence is not the way.
This is...
Just walking animation is too hard, my brother.
This is only happening in Zimbabwe.
Just walking animation is too much for me, my brother. Can someone animate me a new walking animation, my brother? This shit is too hard.
Good.
Except for the opening.
Yeah, except that.
Alright, let me know when you have a
Yep. Oh, we got people. Hello, people.
They believe that Bowser is destroying worlds, but if that were the case, we would have heard of that. Sorry. But
Yeah, you know, it's a good thing you did because I caught Billy.
someone else took his place because his orders are not what Bowser would do. Sorry. I know you wanted me to say, I forgot what you wanted me to say instead of
No, you said orders.
that. Someone else took his place because his mission. He's saying mission because I'm reading it.
Action.
No. That's why I believe that. Because those orders, damn.
They're not what Bowser would give.
I'm not used to doing it on the spot. I'm used to getting a couple of days to learn it, memorize it.
Hey, Brower did ask you and you accepted.
Alright, and action.
Hi.
Oh, I am Mario, and this is my brother Luigi.
Oh, dang, Mario, we gotta save the Mushroom Kingdom.
Well, let's see, we need to go in the castle and stop ghosts.
What's the propane? We're gonna stop the propane.
Yeah, Luigi, you go get the propane, Luigi. I'll go save the ghosts. So this is too funny, okay?
Hold on, Bowser.
Line.
Oh,
God. Action.
Bowser was the king.
That still doesn't explain why we haven't heard anything from
Bowser is the king of Hyrule. No.
My hair!
The wave. I feel like that's what they do in ghetto, no? They get wave. Action.
Yeah! Holding a gun.
Stay.
Go.
Yeah! You're fired. Oh no! Tio. Marco.
I will kill you.
Marco.
Tio.
Marco. Oh, hi.
You're an asshole.
I saw the sign, and it opened up my eyes. I saw the sign.
Link, are you okay?
It's my ligma.
What's Ligma?
Lick my balls, motherfucker! It's my bofa.
What's Bofa?
Bofa these nuts!
You gotta grab him by Bofa.
Bofa what?
Bofa his nuts.
What you motherfucker? No, I'm gonna kill you, motherfucker. Ah, shit, I'm dead again.
Huh?
Alright, motherfucker. I'm Peach now. This is my crib. Well, fuck you too.
Yeah, but I thought we closed it.
We'll get the staff to close it.
Well, I already tried on
It went shots to the. You did your line too early as well.
Whoops.
What are you?
An idiot sandwich.
An idiot sandwich what?
An idiot sandwich chef.
Yes! Mario, look!
But do not touch. This is sacred to the plumber people of the Mushroom Kingdom.
Touch.
Do not harm the mushroom. It is a part of this kingdom. We must honor the Mushroom Kingdom.
What up?
You monster! You destroyed the kingdom! No. What are you doing? No!
Mine!
You monster!
Mine!
Now there's nothing but
Shut your ass up!
No, wait, Mario. There's another mushroom.
Oh, no, the mushroom.
All right, we're done with this pit.
No,
Wait.
the mushroom. Now there's nothing but poison mushrooms.
Boo.